All right, so today we have Dell Pro 16 and I'm replacing a motherboard on it. Let's jump right into it. All right. Using a pry tool, I'm going to try to open our way from the hinges. All right, first and foremost, disconnect the battery. No, I'm just trying to record a training video. Remove the memory stick. Disconnect the display cable. And the DC in cable. Remove the fan connector. Disconnect the daughter board connector. Disconnect the touchpad cable. Disconnect the speakers cable. All right. Be mindful of where these screws go. Disconnect the heatsink. Remove this Wi-Fi card. Disconnect the SSD. We got more screws over here. 1, 2. Remember, these are a bit longer screws that hold down this metal plate. And this one is a smaller screw that holds down the motherboard. So we'll remove the defected motherboard. And install in a new motherboard. All right, make sure no cables are underneath the board. Okay, so starting from the DC in cable, we'll connect the DC in, then the display, put down the flap, put the adhesive on top of it. The fan connector, the daughter board connector, Wi-Fi card, touchpad, speakers, all right. So this side is DMM1, this is DMM2, so we only have one memory stick, so we're gonna install it in DMM1. All right, so you can put this hinge back down, starting from the metal plate screws. So it will indicate with the little triangles where screws should be going. So triangle, 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 pointing towards the screws. Now we're gonna put back the SSD. Put the bracket back on for the Wi-Fi card. Okay, we're gonna use a little bit of thermal paste. Okay. Everything else is connected, so now we can, the last thing is connect the battery connector back on. Put the bottom cover on. All right, it's the moment of truth. Let's see. I'm gonna connect the charger and see if this thing turns on. And it doesn't. All right, I need to do some more troubleshooting on this thing, but this is how you replace the motherboard.